that thing pretty. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'm going to this Cars and Coffee. This is my first time coming out here, so I don't know what to expect, but I figured it'd be something different for the channel, man. So I'm headed out here right now. It's kind of cold out here, but I figure I'd get my butt up, man, get out here and try to get some footage, man. Hopefully we can see some cool cars, man. So I'm headed there now, man, so I'll check in with y'all once I get there. Let's go. Alright guys, we here, man. There go Charles right there. I don't know if I got first time guests, please put flashes on. Okay. I'm definitely my first time in this joint. I don't know if I got paid. But they got some junks out here. Oh, this junk here. I'm about to pull over something. Okay. I don't know where the hell I'm going. So you got the races out here. I'm parking now. I gotta find somewhere to park, bruh. And I'm turning my flashes off. I'm about to park right next to these joints. $13.20. This joint pretty. Yes, sir. Got down here. Uh-oh. 5-0. See that many charges out here. I'm on the wrong side. Uh-oh. V6. This jump hits. That's RT. To head across the street, man. Look like that's where all the action is, across the street. You got the races out here, that's for sure. Uh-oh, look at that jump. Wide body jump. Damn, see if I can get across this damn street. Man, that don't sound mean. Shit. That don't sound vicious. That don't sound incredible. Right. That joke crazy. Z06. That junk pretty. Yes, sir. Hellcat. That's pretty right there.
790,
707. You're probably pushing more than that, considering all the stuff you got done to it. That's nice. One day. I like them wheels. Yeah, that's pretty. Alright guys, they ain't had too many Mopars out there, but tell you what, this 1320 right beside me, check it out. That thing pretty. Yes sir. It looks like you got super. That's nice. This a daggone racer show right here, bro. I was expecting to see more Mopars. That joint tight right there, like he got some 24s on it or something. But yeah, man, I ain't see too many Chargers out here. I mean, it was a few of them, but I was expecting to see more Mopars out here. Saying this a daggone racer show, bruh. Oh, this joint right here gonna get busy. They go Hellcat. Let me get out of here. They had some nice cars out here, but I was expecting to see more Mopars, more Hellcats or something like that. Maybe later on, because it's still early. I think it started at 9, so I got here kind of, well, I guess it's not early, but it started at 9 and people probably still rolling in. So unfortunately, man, they didn't have a whole bunch of Hellcats and stuff like that, but they had a couple nice cars out there. That was my first time going. I heard they have them every Sunday or something like that, so the next time I'll try to probably come a little later, because then they probably have more Mopars, stuff like that. Because there were people still coming in, but again, I got somewhere to go. Can't stay there the whole time. So, so if this is your first time joining my channel, man, hit that like button, subscribe. I'm going to be going to more stuff like this. Try to, you know, bring some different footage to the channel. See you on the next video. Peace.